Good morning students, this is Mrs. Pragya Giri, your computer teacher. Welcome back you all to the online classes of session 2020-21. As you have already know that we have finished 2 chapters, so let's take a review of these 2 chapters, what topics we have learned. So let's start. Chapter 1, we have learned Introduction to computers, which includes characteristics of computers, that is speed, accuracy, large memory, diligence and versatility, limitations of computers, which include no intelligence and feelings, about generations, which includes family generations also, and generations of computers. Here we have learned 5 generations of computers along with its features, time period and examples. Now let's move to chapter number 2, more on MS Windows 7, in which we have learned its introductory part, components of a window, which contains many types of bar and buttons, moving a window with steps, also resizing a window, control panel, what is the procedure to open the control panel, how to change the appearance of windows, customize and auto hide the taskbar, some introductory part of aerobic features also, configuring date and time along with mouse, means here we can change type, movement speed, double click speed, pointers trails, also steps to change the mouse settings, button configurations, double click speed and pointers type. Here finishes your chapter number 2. Now here is an assignment for you all children. Okay. First assignment is make a colorful chart. Means you have to take A4 size blank sheet in which you have to draw 3 pictures in which the things that can be done only by human beings. Only human beings can do that 3 work pictures you have to paste in one page, A4 size blank sheet. Okay, the things that can be done only by computers. Again you have to take one A4 size blank sheet in which you have to draw 3 pictures which only computers can do. Okay, and third is the things that can be done both by human beings and computers, and 3 pictures again you have to draw and paste in A4 size blank sheet in which the things which can be done by humans also as well as computers also. This is your assignment number 1. Now assignment number 2, paste the picture of your family generations. At least 3 generations must be shown. You have to paste 3 generation pics. Again you have to take one A4 size blank sheet in which you have to paste your pictures, then your parents pictures, then your father and mother's pictures, means grandparents. Okay, in this way in one page itself you will paste your pictures, in the down then your parents picture, then your father and mother. Okay, in this way you will show 3 generations pictures. This is your second assignment. Now third assignment, draw and label the following picture. Means students, you have to take your computer book, open page number 22, one screen diagram is there. You have to draw in A4 size blank sheet and label that picture. It is in page number 22. Okay, again and again I am saying all these assignments you have to do in A4 size blank sheet. Okay, and for covering that 4, 5, 6 pages, whatever your A4 size blank sheets, you have to use one project file. Okay, I have already given that all the above activity must be done in a project file. Use A4 size blank sheet only. Okay, here finishes your assignment. So thank you students.